Why did nobody tell me this before I bought sleep products? If you're trying to sleep better, you've probably seen smart alarm clocks, sunrise alarms, and white noise machines everywhere. But the real question is, which one actually makes sense for your bedroom? There are so many options on the market that it's easy to feel confused while making a buying decision. I know that feeling, because I've been there myself. That's why I'm making this video to help you choose the right sleep product so that you don't regret your purchase later. Today, I'm comparing three popular sleep gadgets: the Amazon Echo Spot, the Hatch Restore, and a traditional white noise machine. By the end of this video, you'll be able to choose the option that best fits your sleep style and your budget. This is SleepBetter Lab. Let's break it down. These three products solve different sleep problems. The Echo Spot is a smart alarm clock with Alexa and flexible routines. The Hatch Restore focuses on light-based sleep and wake routines, while a white noise machine is all about masking sound. There's no single best option for everyone. It all depends on how and why you struggle with sleep. Option 1. The Amazon Echo Spot. The Echo Spot is best described as a smart nightstand assistant. It combines a small display for time and reminders, a voice-controlled alarms, a music podcasts and ambient sounds, and a smart home control, like lights or plugs. This is best for tech-friendly users, people who want voice control, and bedrooms with smart lights or smart plugs. What it does well: it's very compact and affordable, offers flexible routines for alarms, music, and reminders, and no large screen or camera, which makes it less distracting at night. Limitations: sound quality is decent, but not premium. No dedicated sunrise light, and works best if you already use Alexa. Option 2. The Hatch Restore. The Hatch Restore is designed specifically around circadian rhythm and sleep routines. It uses gradual sunrise light, evening wind down lighting, built-in sleep sounds, and app-based routines. The Hatch Restore is best for light-sensitive sleepers, people who prefer gentle wake-ups, and anyone who wants a consistent bedtime routine. Strengths of Hatch Restore: excellent sunrise simulation, very calm, non-tech feel, designed specifically for sleep limitations, more expensive than other options, requires a smartphone app, and limited smart home control. Option 3. Traditional white noise machine. A traditional white noise machine does one job extremely well: sound masking. It creates consistent background noise to block traffic sounds, noisy neighbors, and sudden noises at night. Traditional white noise machine is best for apartment or city sleepers, light sleepers, sensitive to noise, and people who want simplicity. Strengths of traditional white noise machine includes very reliable, no apps, no updates, and often the most affordable option. Limitations includes no alarms or routines, no smart features, and a single-purpose device. Side-by-side summary. Here's the simplest way to think about it. Echo Spot equals smart convenience and flexibility. Hatch Restore equals routine-based sleep and gentle wake-ups. White noise machine equals pure noise control. None of these replace the others completely. They solve different sleep problems. So, which one should you buy? Choose the Echo Spot if you want voice control, smart home integration, or an all-in-one bedside device. Choose the Hatch Restore if you want gentle wake-ups, light-based routines, a calm, screen-free experience. Choose a white noise machine if noise is your main issue. You want something simple and reliable, or you don't need smart features. I've added links in the description if you want to check current prices or learn more about each option. If this comparison helped you, consider subscribing. SleepBetter Lab focuses on practical sleep product reviews to help you make smarter choices. Comment below and tell me which option works best for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next review. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and share it with friends or family who are trying to sleep better.